This 2013 Phoenix Cruiser Phoenix 3100 is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Phoenix is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath. This 2013 Phoenix Cruiser Phoenix 3100 is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.